Hey, what's up, guys? So I have a whole bunch of different hammers, and a common theme on that is this angled sides to them. And that's a small. And then I've got a medium that I use pretty regularly, and then I've got one that is a little more beefy. It's a 4-pounder. It moves some steel. It's a good Atha hammer. But today I picked up one that is a beast of the same design. It's basically a sledgehammer, except for the fact it has a tiny little hole on that. Like, it's not much different. And so what we're going to do is we're going to bring this thing to life and then put it on a handle that is ridiculously too small for it. And over the course of however often this gets used, blow out the elbow, shoulders, probably the wrist. Yeah, expedite the aging process, if you will. Here we go. Well, got her done. There it is. Still has some of the blemishes and rust, but I'm not going to take that much of it off. It's a hammer. It's pretty. It's shiny. It is going to do the job. I left the big chip. I just rounded it out. But there it is. It's heavy. It's like Molnar. That is awesome. That is a monster hammer. I mean, this I considered the big hammer. That is so fantastic. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.